In this video, we will show you how to assemble your GREENWORKS string trimmer. This guide can be followed for all battery-operated and corded GREENWORKS string trimmers with a rotating head. Be advised, your unit may look slightly different. However, these instructions still apply. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the packing material and any loose unassembled parts. Carefully lift the string trimmer out of the box and set it on a level surface. The two halves are attached by a wire. Gently set these components next to the unit, being cautious not to damage the wire. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing material until you have operated the product. Assemble the shaft. Open the cam lever and line up the two shafts. Align the release button with the positioning hole and slide the two shafts together until you hear a click. Lock the cam lever. To separate the shaft, open the cam lever and fully extend the handle. A release button can be accessed through the small hole on the coupler. Insert a small pin into the hole and push the release button down. Hold the button down and pull the two shafts apart. Attach the guard. Remove the two screws that are pre-installed in the guard. Slide the guard into the grooves found in the trimmer head. Align the screw hole on the guard with the screw holes on the base. Reinstall the screw and tighten using a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull the edge guide apart and insert the ends into the two holes on the trimmer head. Attach the auxiliary handle. Remove the knob from the auxiliary handle. Push the handle onto the shaft. Reinstall the knob and tighten until it's secure. Battery and charger. If your unit came with a battery and charger, these items can now be unpacked and set aside for later. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. For additional videos on how to maintain and operate your string trimmer, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your GREENWORKS string trimmer will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.